Hi, it's your boy The Shack, and welcome back to BBT. You done got the ting. Now what? You don't got the ting. I done got the ting. So today, guys, I'm gonna show you how to pair your new smartwatch to your phone. So let's get this going. So first, we're gonna need to power up our smartwatch. So you can see there's two buttons there on the side, and this red one here, the one that's got this red accent, that's our power button. So you'll feel a little vibration, a little hectic feedback there to alert you that it's on, so you can let go of the power button. So now it's just giving us the boot screen here. So guys, while I got you here bright and early, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I know you like the content, so show me you like it and like the video. Because remember, the more people that like and subscribe, the more YouTube will promote my video out there for other people that might like and subscribe. So be in the number to grow the army that we are building and this great community we're going to have between us. And I am honored to be the one that you have chosen for me to guide you through this path. So we are back. So we just got our welcome screen. Here you'll see a pop-up on your phone to connect. So let's check our phone. We'll unlock it just like that. And there's the pop-up. So all you're gonna simply do is press connect. Here we're getting a verification number. So you need to make sure that the number on the phone is the same as the number on the watch. So you're gonna select confirm. And now it's asking you permissions for the following. Now, your watch, because it has so many different sensors on it, it needs the access. So you're just gonna select allow. But of course, this is all optional. So you can always select which permissions you want to give for the watch. Maybe you don't want notifications on your watch. You just strictly want it as a fitness monitoring. So you don't want phone calls and any other distractions or not even notifications. So remember, the way technology is set up is that it must be the most convenient for you. So you always have options here and there on how you can best customize your user experience. So again, this is why you come to my channel, so that I can help you set up these things. Because sometimes you might have an idea of how you want to interact with your devices, but you're just not sure that it actually can do what you think it is. So if you stick with me, I'll show you what I believe would be an overall experience on how you can get the most out of all the technology that you currently have. We are now at our user end agreements. So we select agree all, and then the continue will allow us. So allow Galaxy to send you notifications. We'll say allow. So now it's busy now setting up the settings from your watch to your phone. So this usually takes a few minutes. So let's let it do its thing. So now it just asks to sign into the Google account. Just had to put in the password there. So now we've got the terms of service for Google right here. So you must read all of that information, and then you must agree to go to the next step. So now we are checking now Google Play and all the devices and the watch apps. So for now, I'm just gonna stick with the installed apps. Continue. Automatic watch backup. So this is to back up all of the data that your watch picks up onto your Samsung account. So we're gonna select next. Now, the screen that we're currently on is to allow the Samsung Smartwatch, allowed all the permissions from the required permissions that from your phone. So we're gonna select allow, but again, those permissions, they're up to you. You can select your own privacy settings on what permissions you would like to accept. So the watch is, now it's asking us our preferred wearing preferences. So usually my watch will go on the left, and the button position is on the right hand side of the screen, as you can see. So we're gonna select next. Okay, create a workout routine that we can do a bit later. This tells you you can check your body's battery level. Interesting. It also monitors your sleep, and then find out if you're at risk of sleep anemia. Wow. So it's actually has a very vast tracking abilities. That's interesting. You can double pinch to control your watch, to answer calls, dismiss alerts, play or pause music, take a photo when the camera app is open. Interesting. That is great. For emergency help, you press on the home button 5 times and it will alert your emergency contacts. That is also a very nice safety feature to have. So right now we are at the last steps of our setup, and we are not far from having our brand new watch linked completely with our phone, and then we'll be ready to hit all of our fitness goals. And just like that, we're all set. Shout out to Samsung again with that animation.